Hey, 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 here we are, another wedding on a Wednesday, and it's a pop-up in my oldest son, Michael, and trim it down a little bit, didn't need all that extra stuff in there. I'm gonna mat it on this black piece of paper, and then put it on that, kind of looks like, I don't know what you would say that looks like. Anyway, that darker gray, or lighter gray, big sheet of paper. And I mat it with these. I mat this one pretty heavy, I believe. I did it yesterday, but I kind of ran out of time to do the voiceovers, so I was like, meh, I'll just do it today. I meant to do it on like my lunch hour, but that didn't happen. I had to go get me some hot cocoa. Yes, it was 80 degrees here. I still went and got me some hot cocoa. I don't know what it is. I've just been really loving hot cocoa lately, so I figure you're only alive once. Might as well go ahead and do it. And I don't know if you guys know, but they sell the marshmallows separately in its own canister now. So you can either get the hot cocoa without or with the marshmallows. And I got it without so that I could just put in as many marshmallows as I wanted. But now I'm wondering if it was cheaper or not. I should have got the ones with the marshmallows, because then it would have been extra marshmallows. Man, I didn't think of that until just now. Anyway, here we go. We're going to go ahead and finally put that down. Oh, as I was getting ready to put it down, I realized it was blending too much. So I went ahead and put another tiny border of that black. And I call myself freehanding it, but we already know it's most likely crooked, because that is just the way it is in this here life. And of course, I don't want to add this until after I put it down, but if you watch the other ones, you know Pop hates the color pink. But I really thought that love would incorporate, where that edge was with the pink. I just kind of covered it up. I guess I could have brought you guys in a little bit more. It seems kind of far away. But I do pause you here in a second and slap on some alphas there. And the title will be Love That Smile. Yeah, I did pretty good with those, I thought. Putting them on straight anyway. And this was really short, and so is my next Wednesday's video. Sorry I haven't posted. I don't know if it was 2 weeks in a row I didn't do it or one, but just been kind of a little busy, and I figured everybody needs a break from the wedding album anyway, so. Anyway, I'm back. Anyway, excuse me, I didn't mean to say so much. I sprinkle a whole bunch of stuff, and I did pick up another pack of those stars from the Hobby Lobbies, because they had their, how they do the Paper Studio, 50% off all the Paper Studio stuff. So actually, I don't know if my title is Love That Smile or Lucky. And then that little, I think that little pink piece says Friends Forever. Anyway, the Michael is the one that worked with me this past summer here, and he doesn't look like that at all anymore. He's a grown man now. No, at least he thinks he is. But anyway, gosh, I think this was probably about 15 minutes. But I edited out some of it, and I sped it up twice, so 6 minutes, maybe it'll hold your attention. Maybe it won't. I don't know. I find that when a Heba from my little journal does 6-minute ones, I feel like it's not enough. But I'm not her, so. I did find these gray pearly things. I think I got them from Michael's a long time ago. And I thought perfect for this album, so there you have that. I do a border. I do not love it. I do a border on this one and the next one, and I do not love them. But they're done. You know, you're not going to love every single layout. And to be honest, probably nobody else will ever even notice it's there. But I do it with that. Pretty sure it's a scrapbook.com pin. It's kind of a felt pin, I guess. And this one I do a little more uniform. The one on the next page, you're going to be like, what the world? It just looks crazy. And I can't draw hearts. I suck at drawing hearts. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to get your crafty time in. Bye, guys.